Hi, I'm Nina Park. I'm a makeup artist in LA and New York, and I am here to show you how to achieve cloudless skin. Cloudless skin is when your skin is at its healthiest and has a refined, poreless look. It's all about that lit from within radiance without that glossy finish. Since this is so focused on pores, we really want to start with a clean canvas. So we're going to start with the blueberry cleanser. Just gonna do one pump on my palm, making sure that it's sudsy. I'm really using my fingers to go upwards and circling. Also giving a little bit of a lymphatic massage. I love this cleanser because it has AHA that really refines the pores and exfoliates at the same time. So we massage the cleanser in for 1 minute, really focusing on the pores and the T-zone, and now Rachel's gonna wash off. So next we're gonna tone with the watermelon mist. I love that this has apple cider vinegar that balances the oil production on your skin. I like to apply it every 2 hours to rebalance the hydration levels. So next we're going in with a pineapple brightening serum. All we need is 2 drops because a little goes a long way with this serum. And we're just gonna press it in the skin. This serum is awesome because it brightens and exfoliates the skin due to the bromelain enzymes. And to finish, lightweight moisturizer is key. I'm going to use the Pink Juice Moisturizer to hydrate. I love this moisturizer because it just melts into the skin and absorbs so well, and really prepping the skin for the cloudless look. I love the way that Rachel's skin looks already, just from the natural skincare. It's really important to have the right product because you really want something that's gentle and not too thick. And that's what I love about the watermelon juice, is because it really just creates such a nice slip. Your fingertips just glide into the skin. Everything that we do on the face, you should do on your neck at the same time. We want to leave the skin cloud-like like it already is, so we're just going to go in with like a little bit of a bolder brow and a stained lip to complement the look. What I love more than anything is just having clean, radiant skin with a nice, builded out, groomed brow. For me, brows are so important because they do frame the face. Rachel already has great brow and you can really see the shape, so I'm just brushing up to see the natural line and filling in any of the sparse hairs, which is just a little bit at the ends here. I use my fingers because I feel like it naturally shapes the Cupid's bow and the shape of your lip versus like a lip brush. I'm going over with translucent powder over the lips just to match the texture of the skin. Nice and velvety and cloudless. Whatever's left on my fingers, I'm just gonna kind of pop in at the tops of the cheeks. Really focusing at the apples and blending out. And since the skin was prepped so well, everything is gliding on and melting into the skin, really giving that lit from within glow. By setting with the translucent powder, this will help you keep the cloudless look all day. It's not about mattifying and where you don't see shine, but really just kind of giving a nice finish to make it feel cloudless and light and dreamy. I'm gonna finish off the cloudless look by using the watermelon mist to set the face, lock in the moisture, and take off the excess top layer of translucent powder. So here it is, the cloudless skin look. I'm obsessed with it. I love that it's her natural skin texture, but all the freckles come through. She just looks amazing. And don't forget to check out the rest of the Glowpedia looks.